Coming up in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make 100K a year as a travel agent. Let's go. All right, everyone. My name is Jarrett-Jamal Davis from Jarrett-Jamal-Davis.com, and on this channel, I create videos on a weekly basis with tips and strategies to help you create an income online so you can live the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. So let's go ahead and get into today's topic, where I'll be talking about how to make 100K a year as a travel agent. But you know what? Comment down below and let me know how much you are looking to make this year as a travel agent. It really doesn't matter whether it's 1,000, 5,000, it could be 50, or it could be 100K. But comment down below, let me know what you're trying to make this year. And transparently, when I first got started with becoming a travel agent from home, I was just looking for a way to pay some extra bills. So when I first got started, I actually was only looking to make maybe $1,000 to $5,000. But what I found out was, after I went through the training, after I got educated, I started marketing vacation deals. I booked a few clients and I actually started receiving some of those commissions. I saw that the possibilities were limitless. So again, like I said, just comment down below. Let me know what you're trying to make this year as a travel agent. And so what I want to do right now is get into some practical numbers just to make it easy for this example. So I'm going to pull out my calculator here. And what I want to talk about right now is just percentages. So right now in this example, we're going to be talking about a 12% commission. So in this example, I'm going to put up 100K. So again, got 100K on my calculator minus 12%. That's going to give me $12,000. Now, of course, with $12,000, that's the commission that you've made. You're going to have to do that at least 10 times within a year to make that 100K, But I want you to think about it. What type of vacations can you put together that are going to net you 12K? Because again, we're trying to get to 100K a year. And you see, if you're booking just these one-off hotels here or car rental there, it's a lot of different vacations that you're going to have to book to get to that mark. But I want to show you how to condense that and how you don't have to book so many vacations to get to your goals. So in this example, two of the main vacations you should look at booking are group cruises and or destination weddings, or any type of group you can think of, whether it's family reunion, girls trips, couple trips, spring breaks, heck, church retreats. What you're looking at is you're getting a bigger amount of people together to go on this vacation. But again, like I said, with group cruises and destination weddings, people are already looking to get together to go to these things. Now, again, like I said, if you do this 10 times a year, that's going to come out to 100K. But what you want to really look at is, we're looking at the cost per client. So if you have $2,000, let's say your client is spending about $2,000, and when you're talking about a group cruise per se, those cabins can start adding up. So let's just use that example as $2,000. Now, if you have about 50 people going on that cruise, of course, as you can see, that's 100K. So like I said, this is, again, how you make the numbers a lot easier. And then again, when you think about it, family reunion, church retreat, girls trip, things of that nature, the group cruise is one of those things that you can get a lot of people together. Now, what I want you to think about is, somebody might say, well, $2,000 per client. A lot of people don't want to spend that money. And I really want you to get that out of your head, get out of that mindset, because don't think about the type of money that you spend on a vacation. Don't think about that. Get your mind out of your pockets. You never know what type of income and what type of money your clients spend on vacations, and you never want to limit yourself or their pockets. So again, the example is $2,000. Now, Here's the part in the last video where I talked about becoming certified with different cruise lines and hotels or resorts. You see, because when you get those certifications, of course, you're going to have more information about those vendors that you're going to use, which means you can put out more information. You have more information on the cruise line. You have more information on this resort. So you can come to your clients and let them know what's best for their destination wedding, or if they want to put a group together to go on a cruise, when is the best time? When is the best season? You know, of course, there's hurricane season and things of that nature. So it's a lot of different things that you want to look out for. But listen, when you take those trainings to get certified, you're going to find out all of this information. So now it's time to start marketing those vacations so you can actually get clients to come to you so you can start booking. So a couple of ways that you can market depending upon which social media platform you use, whether that's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. A couple of things you can do is you can go live. You can go live. You can educate your audience on the benefits of booking a destination wedding with you or booking a group cruise. You can educate them on the packages that they can get, different destinations that they can go to, and the activities that come with that. But a tip that I want to give you is you actually want to try to do like a raffle at the end of your lives. And the reason why I say you might want to try to do like a raffle at the end of your lives is because, again, what you're looking for is referrals. So I would raffle off like a gift card, maybe a gas card or something like that, maybe a 3-day, 2-night incentive. That's what I like to use, because, again, you'll be able to get more referrals. And with those referrals, what we're really looking to do is build our list. We're looking to build our list with these names and emails because, again, if you have deals, you'll be able to take that list, email those clients, and you'll be able to start booking these destinations. Now, what I want you to think about at this point is that 100K a year goal is a big goal. I know that. That's a lot. But what I want you to do is I want you to start off by just compressing that down. Let's just think about booking that first group, whatever it may be, whether it's a group cruise, whether it's a destination wedding. I just want you to focus on booking that first group, because booking that first group is actually going to give you a blueprint. You know, like I say, this is a big feat, but booking that first group cruise or that first group destination trip is going to give you a blueprint so you can see, you know, what are the logistics, who is the group leader that you need to get with, how you're going to market this destination, how it is when you're trying to actually get all this information from all of these different people, just putting all of that together. So that's why I say all you need to focus on right now is booking the first group trip. And that's going to give you a blueprint, because once those clients come back, again, listen, you can ask for referrals, but this will show you everything that it's going to take. And all you have to do from there is multiply this. So listen, question of the day, you know, what's the first type of trip that you are going to book as a group? Is it going to be a family reunion cruise? Is it going to be a destination wedding? You know, whatever ideas that you have, put them in the comment section below, because I love to see what type of ideas you guys are going to come up with. But listen, if you got value from today's video, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel, because I'll be putting videos out like this on a weekly basis with tips and strategies that help you create an income online so you can live the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. But other than that, I hope you take care, take charge, and have an amazing day on purpose. Why? Because you deserve it.